How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So, I will be teaching you English text, the usher in. Already you have finished 6 chapters. Today I am taking the poem, the 7th chapter. I like little pussy. I hope all of you love to have your own pet, right? Some people like keeping dogs, some people like keeping have their own cows, buffaloes, goats, some have cat. So everybody love their own pet. Here in this poem also, this little girl likes her pussy, the cat. So let us hear the poem and understand the poem. Okay? So listen carefully. Okay, dear little children, let us start. I like little pussy. Her coat is so warm, and if I don't hurt her, she will do me no harm. So the little girl, tells about her pussy that she has got a very a little pussy with her, whose coat is the fur, the fur which is on her body, is so warm, is so good to keep hand on that on her body. And she says that if I don't hurt her, means if I don't disturb her, or if I don't beat her, or irritate her, then she also will not harm. We know that whenever, if the dog is sleeping there and we go and catch its ear, or try to catch its tail, it starts to bark or try to bite us. So something similar, if she says that if I don't hurt her, the cat also will not harm her. So I will not will play. So she says that I don't pull her tail, or get rid of her. When she is walking around, or when she is sleeping or sitting, this girl does not pull the tail of her pussy, her cat, nor when she's sitting there, or when this little girl is walking around, and if the cat comes towards her, so she does not send her away, or tell her to go out of here, don't disturb, like that. She never. Instead, she, the little girl, and the pussy, both of them play very gently. They just run about, they just play with each other very nicely. And she shall sit by my side, and I will give her some food, and she will love me because I am gentle and good. So, this little pussy will come and sit near to this girl, beside her, and this girl would give her food to eat. Maybe chapatis, maybe something else, some bread, or whatever. No, she used to give this little pussy when she comes and sits near this little girl beside her, and she gives this food to her. And this girl loves this pussy very much, because this little girl is very kind, very loving, very plays with her, and this pussy also loves her very much. I will pat little pussy, and then she will purr, and thus show her thanks for my kindness to her. So this little girl, taps the back of the pussy. Pat means tapping, shabashi dena ya pyar karna. So that is what this little girl does on the back of the this little pussy. And when she feels this love, from this girl, this pussy's fur, all of them stands. You might have seen in your own body when you feel some kind of a caring or some kind of a loving affection from your parents or from somebody, the hands of your hair stand up. No? So, the same thing, this little pussy also shows the thankness or kindness. So thanks to this girl. So she shows that thanks for the kindness of this little girl. I will not pinch her ears, nor tread on her paw, lest I should provoke her to use her sharp claw. So this little girl, she never disturbs this pussy. She never pulls the ear, she never pulls the tail, or she never pinches. No, she never pinches this pussy. So she is very kind. No, that's why she never does all these things. Because if you do this kind of thing, उनका जो पंजे हैं उसमें से नाखून नाखून बाहर आ जाएंगे, तो वो अपने नाखून निकाल देते हैं. होता क्या है, वो लोग अपने नाखूनों को छुपा के रखते हैं अपने पंजों में. So this little girl never disturbs her or creates any trouble to this pussy, so that she takes out her claws and to hurt. She never provokes this kind of things. वो ऐसा जानबूझ के कुछ करती नहीं है कि उसकी छोटी सी प्यारी सी बिल्ली को गुस्सा आ जाए और अपने पंजों में से नाखून निकाल ले, है कि नहीं. तो that is it. The last one, I never will vex her nor make her displeased, for pussy can't bear to be worried or teased. So she never creates problem. Vex her means disturbs her or beats her, nothing that sort. No, she just never does any act, or she never does any work which displeases the pussy. वो ऐसा कुछ नहीं करती है छोटी सी लड़की कि उसकी बिल्ली को गुस्सा आ जाए या उसकी बिल्ली को खुशी ना मिले. पुसी कांट बेयर टू बी वरीड और टीज्ड. सो दिस पुसी उसको ये सब अच्छा नहीं लगता है कि उसको कोई परेशान करे या उसको कोई दिक्कतें दे या उसको कोई खींचे. ऐसा करने से उसको वो सब अच्छा नहीं लगता. दैट्स व्हाट this little girl does. She never does any sort of irritation or any sort of irritation to her or disturbing her. This little girl, and little girl also is very, very happy with this pussy. So I hope you might have understood this poem very well. So students, please learn this poem, the first 8 lines of the poem. The first 8 line is from top. I like little pussy. From there to the I am gentle and good. The first stanza, the full first stanza, please learn it properly. Okay, write it and learn it properly. Understood? I hope you have understood the poem. Tomorrow I will come with the book exercises as well as with the question answers. Okay? Till then, stay home, stay safe, have a nice day. Thank you, dear fellows.